We've been hearing about lead contamination on the south side of Chattanooga for years. Thousands of properties may be affected.
Well, today the health department, the EPA, and state experts gave an update on the cleanup process.
These EPA workers are going door to door on Faxon Street, handing out access agreements to the residents. They need permission in order to take soil samples to test for lead and, if necessary, to clean it up.
So we have about 5,490 properties in the study area. We've sampled, I think, close to 2,900 right now. So it's a matter of getting those sampling access agreements.
An influx of funding from the bilateral infrastructure law is helping step up the project. Once a homeowner grants access to the EPA, testing is done in more than one part of the yard.
One person isn't really going to be just hanging out near the tree, right? So we want to sample each decision unit separately. And so typically we'll do a front yard, a backyard, a garden area if the property has that, or a playground area within the property.
This problem is more than 90 years in the making. The lead contamination was spread in the soil from the various foundries operating on the south side.
Maybe about 60, 80 years, foundries would drive it around and give it out, and other times people would go pick it up from the foundry.
The Health Council meeting's updates on a remediation timeline are promising.
And you know, our hope would be to have the project completed in about 5 years, but you know, we are looking at multiple residences.
Well, Jeffrey says the rate of progress is dependent on residents submitting their access forms. You have to fill out a form to get your yard checked for lead. Now, the EPA won't do it without your consent. You can find a link to get those forms on our website, local3news.com.